I'm going to show you how to make a super easy swag that fill up your Etsy shop. You can use these to decorate your home, adding little elements all over the place for the holidays. These are super easy. Let's get started. You're going to love this. To make this swag, what we're going to do is use 2 long sprays. I like using sprays that are pretty long and large. These are probably about 34, 35 inches with their stem. So you need a long, strong stem. And 2 of those works perfectly. So what you want to start off with is shake hands. And that's something I'm always adamant about teaching in design schools. You have to utilize all the built-in wires that come on your greenery and your sprays. When working with artificial florals, they come with all this wire, and especially with a lot of the higher quality pieces that we carry on Khalees.com, they have great wires. So use them, utilize them. We need 2 sprays with some good length and a good strong wire. And we're going to line these up, and you're just gonna kind of stack them. If you are in design school, we usually call this piggyback placement. When we have one kind of elongating the line of the other, I call that piggyback placement. Go ahead, shake hands, spread it all out, and then we're going to attach these together. So let's just flip it over so you can see the wires easily. Now I've got a beautiful pine cone here I really want to bring forward, so let me manipulate that a little so that comes forward. And if I do this length right here, this is about how this would look. And that's a little bit longer than I want, so I'm going to stack it up just a little bit tighter here. And no big deal, it'll just be a little fuller. So that means I'm going to manipulate some things. So I'm going to bring this pine cone on this side. So they're not exactly at the same point. So just kind of take your time and line them up. Okay, they both have this piece that runs down the middle. And we're going to kind of call that the spine. That's the support wire that everything's built on. And we're going to combine those together to make this a swag. So come in here. I'm using brown cable ties that help camo the whole look of this. So I'm going to bring that in tight. And because those are brown and kind of camouflage, you won't even see them. I'm going to trim those off. And you can get cable ties at any hardware store. They will have them. If they are a different color, you can use a leaf off of here. Just trim it off and cut it and glue it on, and it will hide that cable tie. You don't have to worry if you can't get that exact color. The next fun part is to make the hanger. And a super easy way is just to take this excess wire and bend it back. And you're going to get a very easy hanger. Now this stem is showing a little bit there to make that not look so neat and clean. So just bend it and trim it off. We can eliminate that, okay? So it'll make that look a little cleaner at the top. Now bring this back, flip it back around, and we're going to tie that right in here, and you have a nice built-in hanger. One of the things I learned in my many years doing craft shows for a living, I learned, customers really don't know how to hang it when they get home. So if you can make it really easy for them, if you're shipping it or selling it, even for yourself, if you're making this for yourself, when there's a hanger there, it's so much easier than just, oh, I got to figure out a way to wing it to hang it up. If this hanger's there, you are set. So we just made it. Easy peasy. If you didn't see our bow video already, this is our gorgeous 4-inch fat and juicy, beautiful bow. I have just pulled down the longer tails a little bit, and I've left the lower tails up high. Depending how you want it, you could even leave them stacked like when we made it. So I have added a cable tie to the back to attach it here, and that's going to go right up here at the top, exactly where we have this hanger. So go right to that same spot where we tied in the hanger, and then I'm going to get that nice and tight right there. So the hanger comes above the bow just a little bit. Really neat and clean and professional looking, okay? That sets you apart at a craft show, guys, and if you're selling on Etsy. That finished touches of having the hanger, making it easy for your customer to purchase the work from you and want to come back. Okay, I'm coming underneath now with these tails. I like to kind of layer them. And we didn't go all the way to the bottom with our tail length, but you could. You could make these tails long as you would like them. And I'm going to bring that one in, and then take this. I like to take the pine cone, and I just kind of want to change direction with it a little. Have it come up here and break that plane of these bows at the top, and just have those pop out a little. And look, y'all, we did it. It's all about this gorgeous reversible ribbon, really taking this project to the next level, and I know you can do it. All right, Blue Merinos, I'll see you next time, and I can't wait to see you make something just as pretty. Bye, everybody.